and welcome to Quassi's Bell Tower with your host, Quassi. And today we are going to open up the April RPG crate. Now, this, of course, being March and me not getting to the videos right away, this one's kind of on the really late side, but let's get it open and check it out. First of all, we have our t-shirt that came in the box. It is called Werewolf Hunter. It's a really nice werewolf shirt. It looks like we got a two-headed werewolf, so that's pretty cool. Hopefully this has something to do with werewolves. Okay. So first we have our card. And this is Cottage in the Woods, April 2019, Season 3, Crate 33. Okay, next we have a really cool miniature from Effin' Cool Miniatures. Looks like maybe a druid, some kind of woman holding some staff, not quite sure. And of course I will have to show you a picture of this because you will not be able to see it, but really nice. So next in our box we have a pawn pack, number 1, Floating Fortress, and this is from the world of Rivolo. I think that's how it's pronounced, Rivolo. I could be wrong. Let's see what we got here. Looks like we got some figures. And they're plastic. They look kind of like well, I wouldn't say transparent, but not quite sure how these go in there. Maybe that's how it goes. I'm not even sure what this is, but I'll show some close-ups of this too. Same thing on both sides. It's that like kind of clear plastic stuff. That was whatever that is. Looks like some kind of rat or something. I'm not quite sure what it is, but I'll show some close-ups of these guys so you'll see it. Looks like we got some figures. This is the front of it. The back, of course, would be the same thing, but just at a different angle. Basically mirrored, and here is the other one. And they all come with their own little stand, so that's quite interesting. So that's different. That's a little add-on. So it looks like they're doing this still the world of Rivolo or whatever it's called still. So they're still working on that. So we have, it looks like 2 recipe cards. Cottage Cooking with Grammy. Wildflower Honey Pie. Everything looks like it would be. I just need wildflower honey and I can easily get to that. And that would be something that'd be kind of cool to make and try that out. And of course there's an adventure on the back. And then we have Lost Tombs of Culture Arts. This one is Elderflower and Cheese Tart, and that's the front of it, and there's a little adventure on the back. Everything besides elderberry flowers are pretty much half a tablespoon of rose water, but looks like you pretty much could get it all if you needed to, you know, almost all of it. Some, like I said, you might have to pass on some of the ingredients and come up with something else. So next we have our 3 adventures, and these are the Ancient Legends. So our first one is Cottage in the Woods. Nothing fancy on the back. Our next one is A Bump in the Night. Got a little map there. Nothing quite interesting in the back except what the DM needs to know. And Curse of the Vampirus, or Vampirus. And that's the front, and that's the back. Nothing else fancy. I don't see anything about werewolves. And next we have a book from the world of Rivolo and Treasuries in the House of Knowledge. This is a... how many pages? 44 pages. It is also in color, so that's nice. I'll show you some stuff in here. There's the front, or first page after the cover's been opened. Some maps, and you put your big old hands in the way. Let's see. Let's skip that. There's another map. It's kind of boring forest. Let's see if we can't find something else. There's another map. Let's see if we can't find something else. Ah, okay. These are the monsters that were in there. That's the first one I showed, and this was the second one. And that thing has 6 eyes, 3 on one side. That's crazy. The rat-looking thing, that's kind of weird. And then here's some more monsters. And those ones I did not get. But those are them. Oh, so there's a couple. There's a bookworm in here and some kind of bug-looking thing. So it looks like there's a little bit of monsters in here. I don't know if these are NPCs. They probably are. They look like NPCs to me. There's a few more. But, you know, it's all about the world of Rivolo. I don't know if this is what they're doing for now or what, but whatever, that's fine. And this is brought to us by Creature Creations. I don't know if I'll actually play this or not. I don't know. I'd have to really read the beginning, the first one I got on this. Just because, you know, the monsters are different and everything else. I don't see you using regular characters. So that's it on that one there. And then we got our Pick and Pluck. Nothing fancy in there. So that's it. That's it. I think of everything in here, guys. Let me just double check. We got the T-shirt. We got the miniature. We got the Rivolo Pawn Packs. The Treachery in the House of Knowledge book. Yes. The Legendary Adventures. Yes. The recipe cards. Both of them. The Dragon Foam. And that's it. Nothing else special in this. I really don't know how to grade this one. Just because, I mean, this is cool. It's alright. But it's like, where are you going with this one for a while, or what? Did you guys just not be able to come up with your? I mean, you're still doing your own stories here. I don't know if any of this is involved with the world of Rivolo or not. I'm not quite sure because I have not really looked into these yet. I don't really know. Maybe these have to do with the werewolf somehow, but overall it's pretty good. Like I said, I'm just not sure where they're going. The recipe cards are cool. The little figurine things, which you'll probably use maybe once if you play this adventure, and that'll be it. You know, I'm gonna go with a C+ on this one. So that's it, guys. Until next time, and remember to ring that like button like a hunchback. Until next time, guys.